Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. Be sure and check out her channel as well as the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge. It'll be listed in my description box down below. The prompts for this week for number 5 is fabric. So I've got a few pieces of fabric here that I'm going to see which I'm going to use. And the prompt for 6 is a pocket. So I think I'm going to make a pocket out of this, and of course you need a tag to go in your pocket. So let's see what we get, and without further ado, let's get started. I'm finished, and this was a lot of fun. I have my fabric here on this one, and I just added this digital. This and this both came from Mrs. Cogs Crafts on Etsy, and they are beautiful. I love what she does. But I added a little label. I think this one came from Tina Shabbydabbydoodah. I've had it for quite a while. And I have to give credit to Oak House Journals. She talked about gluing the other papers. You know, I have the two, this is from the other ones I've done, the carbon copies. And she talked about gluing them to the back so that it makes it a little sturdier, and that was a wonderful idea. So I've got number 5, and then number 6 I have it had to be a pocket, and I made this tag to go in here. And like I said, all these prints came from Mrs. Cogs Crafts, and I just added flower to that, and I added a little bit of a rose ribbon, and I think this is a Tracy Fox label and just some scraps I had, and I really love how they turned out. I hope you like them too. And you may have noticed I had a little helper during this crafting time. She's usually with me most of the time, but this time she had to really get involved. She's my supervisor, and she thinks I need to do a better job. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge. And until next time, bye y'all.